What strategies optimize the internal linking for better site navigation? By implementing effective strategies, you can ensure that visitors can easily discover and access relevant content, leading to increased engagement and improved SEO performance. One key strategy is to create a logical site hierarchy, something we call a silo structure. Organize your website's content into categories and subcategories, ensuring that related pages are grouped together. This structure helps both search engines and users understand the relationship between different pages, facilitating smooth navigation. Another important strategy is to incorporate contextual anchor text. When linking internally, use descriptive and relevant anchor text that accurately reflects the content of the linked page. This approach helps search engines understand the context and relevance of the linked page, while also providing users with a clear indication of what they can expect when they click on the link. Strategically placing internal links within the body of your content is another effective strategy. By placing links where they make the most sense within the context of your content, you can guide users to related or relevant pages, encouraging them to explore further. Additionally, consider implementing breadcrumb navigation. Breadcrumbs provide a trail of links that show users their current location within the website structure. This feature helps users understand the site hierarchy and navigates back to previous pages if needed. Regularly auditing and updating your internal links is also crucial. Check for broken or outdated links to fix them promptly. Also, ensure that the anchor text and destination URLs of your internal links are up to date and relevant to ensure a seamless navigation experience. In conclusion, optimizing internal linking for better site navigation involves creating a logical site structure, incorporating contextual anchor text, strategically placing internal links, implementing breadcrumb navigation, and regularly auditing and updating internal links. By implementing these strategies, you can improve the overall user experience, encourage user engagement, and enhance your website's visibility in search engine results.